We'll begin with the paper one. Which one? Accounting. We'll see the syllabus. What is this theoretical framework? These things for a commerce student they would have learned, but just me to give an overview. Let me to give an overview. What is there in the theoretical framework? You can find the meaning of accounting, concepts, conventions, capital revenue expenditures, what is a contingent asset or contingent liability, accounting policy, how to measure various things, what are accounting standards, like that. In this, maybe the fundamentals like meaning of accounting, concepts and conventions you would have gone through already in your +1 and +2 level. But in the classroom, we are going to learn something extra with a logical analysis, Next one is going to be which one? Capital or revenue expenditure. Simple. When I say wages, in which account it will come? Trading account. When I say salary, P&L account. When I say rent, P&L account. Purchase of land, will it come in trading P&L account or will it go to balance sheet? Balance sheet. These broader items we understand. But certain minute items we'll have a trouble. For example, for our classroom, we replace this camera. The recording camera we replace, that is given with 5 years warranty. This camera that is newly purchased, will you take it as an expense in P&L account or show it as an asset? Camera purchased for recording the classes or online classes. Okay, old camera is gone. We are replacing with a new one. Will you take it as an expense in P&L account or take it as an asset in the balance sheet? Expense. It's given with 5 years warranty. Asset. We are having a trouble, right? So is it an expense or asset? We have to learn the concept, then we have to apply it. Okay. For example, the projector is gone. We are replacing with a new projector. Expense or asset? Tube light is gone. We are replacing with a new tube light, 400 rupees. That is given with 6 years warranty. Expense or asset? Projector also works for 5 years. Tube light also works for 5 years. For data transfers, we purchased a pen drive for 1000 rupees. The pen drive normally they give you 80 years warranty. Metal pen drive, 1000 rupees, 80 years warranty. The pen drive purchased, will you take it as an expense in P&L account or show it as an asset? Pen drive. Okay. So understanding unit 2, unit 3 matters a lot for classifying deeper into whether something is an expense or something is an asset or not. Clear? So that's what I said. In +1 and +2, we learn through problems. Here we learn the concepts, apply it in problems. Okay. Then, what is a contingent liability? May or may not. The immediate word that will come is what? May or may not. But there is something more to it. Okay. What is a contingent asset? You may also think that is also may or may not. Okay. Something different in that. So accounting policies, how to measure the various things, then what are accounting standards, how to apply accounting standards, like that. This is there in which one? Module 1. Then second is which one? Module 2. Non-profit organizations, accounts of non-profit organization, single entry. Accounting for which one? Incomplete records, partnership accounts, from beginning till end of partnership. Admission, retirement, death, dissolution. If a firm is closed, how they sell assets one by one and distribute. When two firms amalgamate, what to do. When a firm is sold to a company, what to do, like that. All the partnership accounts are being covered. Company accounts, accounting for shares, debentures, certain redemptions, etc. is being covered. Okay. So it's a syllabus. It's a syllabus of which one? Accounting. Certain things are familiar to you, certain things are new to you, kind of a thing. So both we are going to learn. Okay. So let me start with module 1, because without doing module 1, we cannot go with which one? Module 2, because without understanding the accounting process or without understanding the BRS, etc. and all, we cannot go with module 2. Without understanding about all these things, okay, we cannot go with which one? Directly with module 2. Okay. So we'll begin with the module 1. Okay. What is accounting? There is a definition. It's an art of summarizing, classifying, recording transaction in a systematic manner and communicating result to the end users. That's one definition of accounting. Okay, let us not go for mugging up the definition and all. Let us go for learning in a logical way. What is it? Accounting. What is accounting? நீங்க interact பண்ணுங்க, அப்பதான் interesting ஆகும். It's a science or art? அதே question இருக்கு. Preparation of financial statements. அது financial accounting. Financial accounting. One of the branch of accounting is which one? Financial accounting. In that we prepare what? Financial statements. Like trading account, P&L account, balance sheet for a sole trader, from incomplete records, or for a company or for a partnership firm, we prepare. But accounting has a broader sense or broader term. Maybe in general commerce, you would have learnt about all these things. There is something called as authority. And there is something called as which one? Spelled it? Responsibility. What do you mean by authority? What do you mean by authority? Power to do something. Power to do something. What do you mean by responsibility? Doing that. Okay, I'm given with the power to maintain law and order. Okay, I should be responsible for maintaining which one? Law and order. Same way, for example, let us assume in your family there is a function. Let us assume it is a birthday function, or let us assume it is a marriage function, or some function that is happening at your home. You are the in charge. You are the in charge. Power. Your parents or your brother or sister or your cousins have given money. Okay, you spend it. You spend it. You are authorized to spend for various purposes. Okay, authority is the money and power is given for doing various expenses or spending various expenses. What is the responsibility? Will he keep the money or spend the money? Spend the money for various purposes. Function is over. That's all. Bye bye. Or will do something more. You are given with money. You spend the money for function. Then the function is over. All relatives gone out. Then you are sitting with family members. Yeah, function is over. Let us go and sleep. Will you do that or do something more? What will you do? Accountability. It's simple. Preparing the report. Preparing which one? Report. What report you will prepare? From what sources you have taken money? I have taken from fixed deposit. This investment are sold. Father gave this much. Mother gave this much. Cousins gave this much. This much contributions came from outside. Or from my savings, I took this much. These are the sources of money. And look at this. For hall, I paid this much. In decoration, I paid this much. For food, I spent this much. Invitations, I spent this much. Refreshments and other expenses, I paid this much. Okay, this is a total amount received. This is a total amount spent. There is a surplus money available in my hand. Take the statement. Then go and sleep. Clear? Here is where the accounting comes. Accounting comes from which term? Accountability. Clear? There is an authority or power given. There is a responsibility of doing that. Accountability is nothing but preparing a report and submitting. Preparing a report and which one? Submitting. I spoke about a family function. Imagine you are the in charge for purchasing and installing a machine. You are a production engineer. You are the in charge for, not an accountant, production engineer. You are the in charge for purchasing and installing the machine. What will you do? You will prepare a report. You are having the power. You do that installation of machine, purchase and installation. Thereafter, you will prepare the report. What report you will prepare? It will not be dealing with cost, etc. and all. Where and all, which model machines were sourced. Why this particular model machine was purchased. From which supplier the machine was purchased. From ordering to delivery, within how many days the machine has reached your factory. Within how many days the installation is complete. Was there any error in installation? Was there any repair work done after installation? What is the efficiency of the machine compared to the other machines? Clear? Is it running properly? What is the estimated life of the machine? This you will prepare as a report and give it to the top management. Clear? So reporting need not be financial report. It can be which one? Non-financial reports also. That is why accounting is a broader term. Under that financial accounting comes. Accounting is a very broader term. அதுக்குள்ள என்ன வரும்? Financial accounting varum, cost accounting varum. Okay, you've got management accounting varum. Okay, there is something called as maybe I'll shift this up. There is something called as human resource accounting varum, social responsibility accounting will come. Like that. Now we have got something called as ECG, okay, GRI, etc. and all new concepts, etc. coming. So leave out this, but these are the main branches of accounting. What are the main branches of accounting? Financial accounting, cost accounting, management accounting, human resource accounting, and which one? Social responsibility accounting. All comes under the broad term called as which one? Accounting. For example, you are a marketing manager. How this accounting will be applicable for you? What is authority given? To manage all the marketing related work. Let it be digital marketing or digital promotion or handbill promotion or person to person promotion, free sample promotion. You are given with power. Responsibility is that you market the products. You market the products. At the end of the year, okay, you give the report. What are the marketing activities done by the company? Because of that, what is impact in sales? What is impact in sales? What is impact in which one? Brand awareness. The marketing manager will prepare a detailed report and give it to the top management about what he has done. What he has done. Like that, accountability comes in various areas, every area. For example, your parents have given you for foundation learning. What is our accountability? Authority is, yes, we are having the power to coach, power to conduct the test, okay, power to do certain things which are required for teaching, okay. Responsibility is that what? Teach it. Accountability is which one? Send the reports. Don't worry, we will not send the test results and all unless they come and ask, okay. So a report, I mean, whenever they come and ask, we should be reporting whether the student is coming daily to the class, whether he is attentive in the class, whether the student is able to score, whether the student is consistent in attending the class, etc. and all. We'll tell them a kind of a report. That is what is accounting for an institute to the teacher or to the student kind of a thing. Now coming to this, what are the branches of accounting? Financial accounting, cost accounting, management accounting, human resource accounting, and which one? Social responsibility accounting. Financial accounting, what we are going to do? What we are going to do in financial accounting? There are two aspects. Bookkeeping. Second one is accounting. What is bookkeeping? Simple. Recording the transaction. Recording the transactions. We buy, we sell. All the monetary transactions are recorded in which one? Journal, ledger, and we prepare which one? Trial balance to check whether debits are equal to credit. This is the first part of accounting. Why this is bookkeeping? It is done throughout the year. Journal, will you pass one day or throughout the year? Ledger, periodically, monthly, you will update. Or will you wait for 1 year and update? No, monthly, transaction by transaction, you will update. Trial balance is prepared periodically to check debits are matching with credits. So this is that throughout the year. What is the next one? Accounting is done normally at the end of the year. Accounting is done normally at the end of the year, where you prepare a trading P&L account. Trading which account? P&L account. Trading P&L account to show the financial results. What is financial results? Profit or loss. Because at the end of the day, if you run the business, you want to know which one. What is the profit? What is the loss? Second is preparing a balance sheet to know the financial position. What is the financial position? Assets and liabilities on a particular date. Assets and liabilities on a particular date. These are my assets, these are my liability, these are my receivables, these are my payables. Okay, this is what I can collect, this is what I have to pay, and this is the owner's capital. Like that, we present the financial position. This is which accounting? Financial accounting. Financial accounting. Clear? This is what we are going to do. Let it be module 1 or module 2. What we are going to do? Look at this. Preparation of final accounts of sole trader. What we are going to do? Prepare a trading P&L account and a balance sheet. Even in module 2, final accounts of which one? Non-profit organization, charities, trust, etc. and all. We are going to prepare which one? an income and expenditure account. Here it is P&L account, there it is which one? Income and expenditure account. Only the name is different. Then we find out instead of profit or loss, we call it as which one? Surplus or deficit. Adhe mari single entry also, we are going to convert into double entry and prepare profit loss, partnership, company accounts. Everywhere our job is bookkeeping and which one? Accounting. If you are a which accountant? Financial accountant. What is the next one? Cost accounting. What is a cost accountant? Then what the cost accountant will do? Financial accountant does all these jobs. Recording the transaction, ledger, trial balance and all. Under accounting, next branch of accounting is which one? Cost accounting. This you learn at your intermediate level. It is not covered in your foundation level. You got a separate paper in group 2 called as cost and management accounting. Cost and management accounting. What a cost accountant will do? Simple. Find out cost per unit. Find out cost per unit. Fix the selling price and control the cost. These are the three areas or functions of a cost accountant. What are the three areas? Let us take a pen, probably a pen like this. Okay. Find out cost per unit. Is it made with one component or multiple components? Multiple components. When you buy, they sell with the wrapper. There is a ball point, there is a plastic body, there is a switch, there is a maybe sometimes cap is given, there is a refill, different parts are there. Okay, so you work out the cost first. Let us assume cost of a wrapper is 2 rupees. Cost of the cap is, let us assume another 2 rupees. Plastic body, external body, another 3 rupees. Refill 2 rupees. Ball point 1 rupee. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1. It will come to somewhere around 10 rupees like that. That is a manufacturing cost. That is which cost? Manufacturing cost. That is coming to 11 rupees. We'll fix a selling price at 12 rupees. We'll fix a selling price at 12 rupees. But in the market, people are selling this pen for 6 rupees. What to do now? We worked out the cost. We fix a selling price, 12 rupees. Market, the same kind of a pen is available for, same quality pen is available for 6 rupees. Will they buy from you or buy from outsiders? They'll buy from outsiders. Then how to control the cost? How to control the cost? Quality should not go down. Cost should go down. Here you analyze the cost. There is a wrapper given, spent 2 rupees for manufacturing. Is it adding any value to the customer? We buy and throw it. It is a pollution. So don't manufacture wrapper at all. Save 2 rupees. Okay. Then the cap that is provided, should it be with like Tupperware, like virgin plastic? No, it can be recycled plastic. The plastic body also, it can be what? Recycled plastic, manufactured for 1 rupee, 1 rupee. There you save 3-4 rupees of cost. Okay. The refill should have a good quality. The ball point should have a good quality. You can spend more on that, no problem. If you revise the cost, it will come to 4 or 5 rupees. Where you can market a better quality pen for 6 rupees. Market pen is available for 6 rupees. Now I manufacture and supply a better quality pen for 6 rupees. Now you'll find more customers coming to you. So this is a job of which accountant? Cost accountant. Finding out cost per unit, fixing the selling price, and which one? Controlling the cost. Simple. You go to a hospital. You will find a person sitting over there, will ask your problems. Problem number 1, 2, 3, 4. Then they will prescribe you for certain tests. Laboratory scanning and other tests they will prescribe you. Thereafter, the reports are given to the cost accountant. So initial or 10-15,000 you spend. Thereafter, reports are given. They consult with the technicians and other things. Thereafter, they find out the cost per unit. For you, what will be the cost? Cost of treating the patient. This charges, that charges, operation charges, post-operative care, physiotherapy charges, this, that, etc. They put. Okay. They fix a selling price. Okay. They will quote, sir, for treating you, it will cost you 25 lakhs. It will cost you 25 lakhs. So whether you want to get treated or not, up to you. Okay. So even in hospitals, they employ cost accountants for finding out which one? Cost per patient and quoting the price for the patient, then continuing with that kind of a thing. Okay. And cost accountants also control the cost. How they control the cost? Hospital enna cost control panna mudiyum? Simple. To build an operation theater, how much it will cost you? A facility like Apollo Hospital Operation Theatre. How much it will cost you per operation theatre? Around 5 crores. Around 5 crores. Okay. Uh, the model will get outdated once in 3-4 years. New technology, new model will come. You should take the investment in 3-4 years. If you overcharge also, patient will not come. When you charge more, what will happen? Patient will go to some other hospital. They will not come. What to do now? Simple. Utilization. What is it? Utilization. Whether the theatre is used for 1 hour or 24 hours, investment made is investment made. How they control the cost is simple. They have designed a software in such a way that they first treat inpatients. What even the inpatients? Apollo hospital patients. Then they open up the idle time to outside hospitals. Open up the idle time to which one? Outside hospital. 9 to 10 operation theatre is free. 10 to 11 operation theatre is free. Evening 4 to 7 operation theatre is free. Night 9 to morning 5 operation theatre is free. If outside hospitals, those are not having facility, they can shift the patients over there, get the operation done, keep it in ICU and come back. Now what is the benefit here? Without giving to outsiders, you would have utilized operation theatre only for 6 hours a day. 6 to 7 hours a day. Since you are letting it out, hiring it out, renting it out, you can use it for 16 hours a day. The 10 hours rental charges, is huge. Apart from that, the patient is kept in ICU. For that, you will charge. So, other hospital take about 2-3 years to recover the money. Apollo hospital takes 6 months to recover. Which one? Investment made in an operation theatre. This is what is called as which one? Controlling the cost. Controlling the cost doesn't mean going for a cheaper quality. Utilizing the resources better. Utilizing the resources better. Avoiding wastages. Avoiding which one? Wastages. When I manufacture 100 dresses in my factory, all 100 dresses should be good. No defect should be there. Because if 2 defects are there, your profit is gone. If 4 defects are there, profits is totally gone. Clear? So without defectives, you manufacture. One shirt, you should consume only 2 meters of cloth. When you consume 0.1 meter of cloth extra, what will happen? More material, more cost, unnecessary. While cutting, while stitching, if you waste the cloth, it will be useless, So cost accountants are those who do this. Simple. இந்தியாவில் ஒரு லேப்டாப் இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு லேப்டாப் பண்ணணும் எவ்வளோ காஸ்ட் ஆகும்? ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் லெனோவோ மாதிரி இந்தியாவில் ஒரு லேப்டாப் பண்ணணும் எவ்வளோ காஸ்ட் ஆகும்? இந்த லேப்டாப் தட் இஸ் யூஸ் ஃபார் ரெக்கார்டிங் classes. It will cost you somewhere around 50-55,000. But marketly the 55,000 available are okay. Manufacturing cost alone 55,000. Dealer commission, marketing, promotion expense, etc. It will come to 80-90,000 rupees. This is made in China. Otherwise, all the items that we use in electronic form, 90% of course comes from which one? China. Okay. In China, the same laptop, they make it for 15,000 rupees. How? India manufacture panna 55,000. Anga manufacture panna 15,000. Every. I'm not exaggerating. Same thing. Alibaba.com bulk laptop in the configuration la podunga. உங்களுக்கு என்ன லேபிள் வேணுமோ போட்டு தந்துடுவாங்க. Okay. They will charge only 15,000, 20,000 per piece. அதே நம்ம இந்தியன் மார்க்கெட்ல 55,000 இருக்கும். Do you mean to say everything is taxes? No. Manufacturing costing is ஜாஸ்தி. Yeah. Simple. In India, if you have to set up a manufacturing unit of laptop, what do you have to do? You have to buy a land. That is costly. Number 2, you have to construct a building. Number 3, you have to hire engineers. Okay. Electronics engineers or software engineers, you have to hire them. Then run the factory. Okay. You know where laptops are assembled in China? Jail. Imagine what cost is saved. No factory cost, no land cost, no engineering cost. Sir, how they assemble laptop? Please remember, developing, designing a product requires knowledge. Assembling a product requires knowledge or no knowledge? Have you gone to Rich's Street? You go with any display, they will change it and give it to you. He has not even completed 8th standard, 9th standard. But he can just open an iPhone and just change the display and give it to you. Or any laptop for that matter, change it and give it to you. Why? Because assembling requires only what? A skill, not a knowledge. Not a knowledge. இந்த இடத்துல இதை வச்சு சால்டரிங் பண்ணணும், பேக் பண்ணணும், அசம்பிள் பண்ண அனுப்பணும். இருக்கு இதுக்கு போய் சாஃப்ட்வேர் இன்ஜினியர் வேணுமே, தேவையில்லை. ஸோ அண்ட் ரிமெம்பர், யூ ஆர் அசம்பிளிங் த லேப்டாப் இன் ஃபேக்டரி ஆர் ஜெயில்? Jail. Prisoners. Should they be paid a big salary or a nominal salary? Nominal salary. Land cost they avoid. Okay. Factory cost they avoid. Machines cost too much they avoid. Okay. The skilled labor is available in the jail itself. They train the workers and they give the work. Okay, simple. What do we do in our jails? Are we making our criminals good or creating criminals over there? That's a big question. Clear? Because when you are kept idle, what will you do? According to me, a criminal is a brilliant person. Because he is not used properly, he became a criminal. Okay. If he is going to be kept idle in the jail, what will happen? He will think about how to commit a crime outside. But if he is given a job or an employment inside, that experience he will use it outside. Once he comes out, there will be some money. Remember, a Chinese prisoner there 20 years, he worked, earned some money. With that, he can come outside and he can start a shop or do some work, or with an experience, he can go for employment also elsewhere. With the certificate given, he can go for elsewhere employment also. I'm not telling about the Chinese glory, etc. and all. I'm telling about, look at the cost per unit, look at fixing the selling price, look at which one? Controlling the cost. So, cost control comes from different places. That is the job of which accountant? Cost accountant. How to do it? You will learn at your intermediate group 2. What is the next one? Management accounting. You try to run a textile shop in Nungambakam or in T Nagar or in Mylapore. Try to run a shop, textile shop. Is it easy or difficult? Textile shop for men or women and the Madri. Is it easy or difficult? Difficult, very difficult, because already there are 20-30 shops. I'm starting new. How the customer will come and buy from me? But look at Reliance Retail. Look at Tata. Zudo, the new brand that is coming or that is picking up like anything. Okay, even Westminster is belonging to Tata. Clear? So how they are able to run so many showrooms? In Chennai itself, we can find 50 showrooms. Across the country, you can find about more than 20,000 showrooms of Zudo. How they manage it? Simple. Through the help of management accountant. Through the help of which one? Management accountant. Simple. They provide information for decision making. They provide information for which one? Decision making. What information? They'll provide ratio analysis. Maybe we would have learned gross profit ratio, net profit ratio, stock turnover ratio and all. Every ratio indicates a particular thing. If stock turnover ratio is low, what is the meaning? Inventory turnover ratio. Plus 1, plus 2. You will work out cost of goods sold divided by average stock formula. If that is low, what is the meaning? Unnecessary stocks are there. If the inventory turnover is high, stocks are moving fast. Okay. So, like that, there is one ratio that I explained. Like that, there are so many ratios which they work out. They also work out cash flow statement. Where the money is collected, where the money is applied, where the money is collected and where the money is applied. You do something called as performance reporting. Performance reporting. What is a performance reporting? What is a performance reporting? Reporting the branch performance. You will invest பண்ணிருக்கோம், you will return வந்திருக்கு, profit or loss. You will stock purchase பண்ணிருக்கீங்க, you will sales create பண்ணிருக்கோம். ஒரு salesmanக்கு எவ்வளவு sales create ஆயிருக்கு, இந்த branch managerனால எவ்வளவு sales create ஆயிருக்கு, அந்த மாதிரி they provide information to the top management. So 20,000 branches, whether all the 20,000 branches will run in profit? No. 15,000 branches run in a profit. Good, continue. About 2,000 branches are breaking even, no profit, no loss. 3,000 branches are in loss. Now the management will talk about which one? Profit making branches, break even branches or loss making branches. They will talk about loss making branches. Run பண்ணலாமா வேணாமா, close பண்ணலாமா. Okay, break even branches என்ன பண்ணலாம்? How to make it profitable? How to make it profitable they will discuss. Okay, so this is called as, maybe you would have learned in commerce, MBE, management by exceptions. Routine matters, they will not interfere. Exceptional matters, management will what? Interfere and manage like that. Simple. To run the business smoothly, we require the help of which one? Management accountant. So ratio analysis, cash flow analysis, fund flow analysis, performance reporting. There are so many things. That itself is a biggest area. There is a specialization available in management accounting itself. Look at CMA students. They learn which subjects? Cost and management accounting for 2 years. They learn cost and management accounting for how many years? 2 years. But you will learn it in One paper. You learned it in what? One paper. Because your core area is which one? Financial accounting. Thereafter going for auditing, tax planning and other things. Cost and management accounting students will learn in depth about what? Costing and management accounting, like that. Wait. This area is different. This area is different. This area is different. If you are a management accountant, will you prepare P&L account and balance sheet? No. If you are a cost accountant, will you prepare ratio analysis, cash flow, fund flow? No. Everything has a scope. That is also coming under which one? Accounting. Clear? So simple. To run the manage or to run and manage the business effectively, you require the help of which accountant? Management accountant also. They don't decide. Please look at are they deciding? What do they do? What do they do? They provide information for decision making. What is the next one? Human resource accounting. Sir, what is a human resource accounting? What is an asset? What is an asset? Asset na enna? Land, building, property, current asset, fixed asset la okay. Adhe நம்ம asset nu சொல்றோம். இப்போ ஒரு क्वेश्चन கேக்குறேன். நீங்க உங்க பேரண்ட்ஸ்க்கு அசெட்டா லைபிலிட்டியா? Some parents will say asset அப்படிம்பாங்க. Some parents will say liability பாங்க. Anything that gives you future economic benefits. Anything that gives you future economic benefits. That is called as which one? Asset. Future economic outflow இருந்தா that is called as which one? Liability. For example, this laptop, why do I use? Because it gives me future economic benefits. Or anything for that matter, that whatever gives you future economic benefits, that is called as which one? Asset. Asset. Okay. Now, this chair or table or whatever, it is going to be used in future. Yes, that is why we call it as which one? Asset. If it cannot be used in future, we'll throw it. We'll not call it as which one? Asset. Imagine human resource. What do you mean by human resource? Human beings. Human resource is nothing but what? Human resource is nothing but human beings. You are joining in a company. You are joining in a company. You are working in the company today as well as in the future you will work. Will you give benefit to the company? Yes. If you don't give benefit, they will be sending you out. You are giving benefit to the company. When chair, table, bench or plant machinery can be shown as an asset, why can't human resource be shown as an asset in the balance sheet? Prida, this laptop, this projector or this chair or plant machine and all, we show it as an asset. So if you can show them as asset, we can show them as asset. Why can't you show human resource also as an asset? நீங்க land building எல்லாம் future economic benefits இருக்கு, assetனு சொல்றீங்க. நீங்க human resource, you are working in a company. Okay, you are giving benefits to the company only, you know. Why can't you show it as an asset? ரொம்ப simple example. You would have studied in different schools. உங்க ஸ்கூலோட பிரின்சிபல் ரிசைன் பண்ணிட்டு வெளில போனா என்ன ஆகும்? சில டைம்ல ஸ்கூல் நல்லா இருக்கும். ஓகே, சில டைம்ல அவ்வளவுதான், அவர் போனா அவ்வளவுதான் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. அப்படி என்ன அர்த்தம்? He creates value for the future. He creates which one? Value for the future. ரொம்ப simple. What is the difference between a good college and a bad college? Big size land, big size building, wooden 100% teak wood furniture, summer staff room, or quality of faculties. Quality of faculties. When you can show land, building, furniture, etc. as an asset. Okay, so if you can show land, building, etc. as an asset, chair la asset nu சொல்றீங்க இல்லையா? Why can't you show principal, HOD, faculty as an asset? அதான் இங்க question. இல்லையா? Value of the college depends on human resources. ரொம்ப simple. MOP வைஷ்ணவ் காலேஜ் எடுத்துங்க. முன்னாடி இருக்க எஸ்பாடி சென்டரை விட அது சின்னது. But that is having a bigger value than that of some colleges which is having what? 40-50 acres of land, big buildings and all. Yeah. Is it because of the buildings, etc.? Is it because of the human resources? Human resources. So why can't you show them as an asset? Monetary value. Yeah, of course. எனக்கு நீங்க 10,000 salary pay பண்றீங்க. என்னால உங்க காலேஜுக்கோ உங்க ஸ்கூலுக்கோ பெனிஃபிட் ஒரு 40-50,000 இருக்கும். For example, accountancy, you pay, let us take proportionately allocate the fees. 6,000 rupees எடுத்துக்கலாம். Okay, but let us assume per student I am paid 2,000. 4,000 rupees, the institute is getting a benefit. So into number of students போட்டா the benefit you can measure, monetary value ல measure பண்ண முடியும். Valuation can be done. Valuation can be done. For example, ஒரு டாக்டர் நம்ம ஹாஸ்பிட்டலுக்கு வந்து சேர்ந்தாருன்னா இவ்வளோ ரெவன்யூ இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகும், அதனால வேல்யூ ஆஃப் த டாக்டர் இவ்வளோ ஸ்பெசிஃபை பண்ணி ஜாயினிங் போனஸ் எல்லாம் பே பண்ணி எல்லாம் எடுத்துக்கிறாங்க. The reason is ownership. Chair owned by me. Employees அந்த ஓனர்ஷிப் டைட்டில் உங்களுக்கு நீங்க தான் ஓனர் எழுதி கொடுத்துருக்காங்களா இல்லையா? தட் ஒன் டைட்டில் ஆஃப் ஓனர்ஷிப் இஸ் நாட் தேர். பட் சேர் டேபிள் எக்ஸெட்ரா என்றால் யூ ஓன். ஸோ ஓனர்ஷிப் இஸ் நாட் தேர். வென் சம்திங் இஸ் நாட் ஓன்டு பை யூ, தே ஒர்க் ஃபார் த சர்வீசஸ் வி பே, தட்ஸ் ஆல். ஸோ ஓனர்ஷிப் கிடையாது. செகண்ட் வந்து லைஃப். லைஃப்னா த சேர் ஐ பர்ச்சேஸ், த லைஃப் ஆஃப் த சேர் மேபி 5 years 10 years அந்த மாதிரி. Life of the laptop may be 3 years. Life of a projector may be 4 or 5 years. Laptop with the table may be 10 years, like that. Can you estimate the life of the human resource, not their living life, in the company? She joins the company. Is there a guarantee that she will work for next 5 years? எங்க கம்பெனிலே அடுத்த 5 இயர்ஸ்க்கு அவங்க ஒர்க் பண்ணுவாங்கன்னு கேரண்டி இருக்கா? கிடையாது. ஸோ அப்படி இல்லாத போது how can you show it as an asset? Life is contingent. Life is contingent. Ownership is not there. That is why human resource accounting cannot be done. அப்போ எதுக்கு சார் படிக்கணும்னா ரொம்ப சிம்பிள். Human resources are valued but they are not accounted. Human resources are valued. Mergers, amalgamations அந்த டைம்ல they will value each human resource, but you cannot do which one? Accounting, because ownership is not there and life is a question mark. Life is a question mark. So this is which accounting? Human resource accounting. This you will learn at your final level. Strategic financial management, you will learn valuation of human resources. Valuation of human resources. What is the next one? Social responsibility accounting. What is social responsibility accounting? Simple. There is a business. What is the cost and benefit of running the business to the society? What is the cost and benefit of running a business to the society? Example. What is the benefit of running Bharadwaj Institute? Create professionals, intellectual property of the country goes up, more chartered accountants. Okay, very good. What is the cost to the society? Don't say fees. We use air conditioners. Okay, that pollutes environment, ozone layer damage. Okay, we use electricity for, we could have written in board, display boards, electricity, etc. will be consumed. Again, natural resources. You burn more lignite, you get electricity, or more atoms have to be burned for electricity. Okay, so we pollute environment. We park vehicles in the road. Clear? Or small scale business can cause this much trouble to the society. Now imagine a large scale industry. What do they do? For example, water can extraction and selling. What do? You extract the water that belongs to the locals, but you put a bore well and extract the water. Thereafter, what do? You purify the water. What about that bad elements? Just like that you discard. Just like that you discard, pollute that area. Pure water comes to another area. You make business, you make money out of natural resource. Water is a private resource or a natural resource? But people think that it is a private resource. Okay, they put a borewell. Borewell irundhu thanni vandha adu avangaloda water nu eduthukranga. Okay, then they for example purify and sell. Okay, என்ன சார் பண்ணது? ஆமா, பிசினஸ் பண்ணதுனால கண்டிப்பா there will be a benefit to the society. Purified water. What is the cost? And that area will become dry. Daily ஒரு somewhere around 50,000 60,000 liters of water you take and purify. That area water will become what? Dry. Okay, so because of business there is a cost to the society, environment, and there is a benefit to the society also. Giving an accounting for cost and benefit, we call it as which one? Social responsibility accounting. Maybe this you would have heard it in different workshops or in your schools. நிறைய பேசியிருப்பாங்க அதை பத்தி CSRன்னு சொல்லிட்டு corporate social responsibility ன்னு பேசியிருப்பாங்க. Corporate social responsibility. What is a corporate social responsibility? Simple. Number one, are you giving adequate return to your investors? உங்களை நம்பி பைசா போட்டிருக்காரு இல்லையா, எவ்வளோ ப்ராஃபிட் earn பண்ணிருக்கீங்க, எவ்வளோ ப்ராஃபிட் நீங்கள் அவங்களுக்கு கொடுத்துருக்கீங்க. இந்த கம்பெனி நான் தான் ரன் பண்ணுறேன், ப்ராஃபிட் earn பண்ணுறது என்னோட சேலரி எடுத்துக்கிறேன், இன்வெஸ்ட் பண்ணவங்களுக்கு ஏதோ சம் பைசா. இஸ் இட் குட் ஆர் பேட்? You all invested the money and started this company, but I run the company on your behalf. I will take 90% of the profit as salary, 10% எடுத்து உங்களுக்கு எல்லாத்துக்கும் ப்ராஃபிட் ஷேர்னு கொடுத்துருவேன். Is it proper or not proper? Not proper. If you do this, the brand value will come down, investors value will come down, and the problem will over. So first one is, are you giving adequate return to your shareholders? Number two, to your employees, are you paying adequate salary? They work for which one? Salary. Are you paying adequate salary? Are you giving a proper working climate? Are you giving a proper working climate? What do you mean by proper working climate? Stress free. Stress free na adukku appo vandu jolly பண்ணிட்டு போறது இல்ல. Stress free environment. Okay. And are you, I mean, for example, today evening 5 o'clock the office closes, tomorrow morning 9 o'clock the office opens na, the employee should treat like I should go to the office and come. அந்த மாதிரி ஐயோ I should go to the office அந்த ஃபீலிங் வரக்கூடாது. அந்த ஃபீலிங் எங்க வந்து வச்சோ ஆர்கனைசேஷன் அவுட் ஆயிடும். கிளியர்? ஸோ ஆர் கிவிங் ஃபேர் ரெமுனரேஷன், ஃபேர் ஒர்க்கிங் கண்டிஷன் டு த எம்ப்ளாயீஸ். நம்பர் டூ. நம்பர் த்ரீ, ப்ராடக்ட் சப்ளைட்டு இருந்து வாங்குவோம், பைசா பே பண்ண மாட்டோம். சார் பைசான்னு கால் பண்ணிட்டே இருப்பாங்க, காலை எடுக்க மாட்டாங்க, பைசா பே பண்ண மாட்டாங்க, டாட்ச் பண்ணிட்டே இருப்பாங்க. நிறைய பேர் அது ஹேபிட்டாகவே இருக்கும், வாங்கினா பைசா பே பண்ண மாட்டான்னு சொல்லி. ஓகே, ஆர் யூ ப்ரொவைடிங் ஐ மீன் கைண்ட் ஆஃப் பேமெண்ட் டு த சப்ளையர்ஸ் ஆன் டைம்? அதே மாதிரி டு த கஸ்டமர்ஸ் ஆர் யூ கிவிங் குவாலிட்டி ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ்? டு த கஸ்டமர்ஸ் ஆர் யூ கிவிங் குவாலிட்டி ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ்? ஸோ ஆர் யூ கிவிங் ஃபேர் ப்ராடக்ட் டு யுவர் கஸ்டமர்ஸ்? தட் இஸ் another one. Then next பாத்தீங்கன்னா, to the society, what is the harm you are doing? What is the benefit you are giving? For example, I am running a chemical bleaching company in Ambattur area or Tambaram area. What is the harm I do to the people in the local area? Chemical bleaching ஒரு ஸ்மெல் வரும், அதை இன்ஹேல் பண்ணா ஹெல்த்தியா இருப்பாங்களா இல்ல லங்ஸ் போகுமா? லங்ஸ் போகும், கண்ணு போகும். இதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணணும்? அதுக்கான பிசினஸ் க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிட்டு ஓடிடணுமா? நம்பர் ஒன், ப்ராப்பர் பொல்யூஷன் கண்ட்ரோல் எக்யூப்மெண்ட் ஐ ஷுட் ஹவ் இன்ஸ்டால்ட். அப்படியே ஜஸ்ட் ஏர் மிக்ஸ் பண்ணி விடக்கூடாது. Here I should have installed the pollution control equipment where the toxic gas come into the equipment, gets purified and goes out, so that people don't have a trouble. அதுலயும் வந்து ஜீரோ பண்ண முடியுமா? Is it possible to make it zero? No. Some harm will be there. இப்போ என்ன பண்ணணும்? Organize free medical camp in the local area. Check the health of the people. Give them some free medicines, etc. and all if they are affected. Okay. Why? Only then social support or society support will come. Without society supports, you cannot run what? Business. Clear? And at the same time, it is a human kind that if you disturb others, ensure that you pay some compensation. Business close பண்ணிட்டு போக சொல்ல, டேமேஜ் இல்லாம பாத்துக்குங்க. அப்படி டேமேஜ் ஆச்சுன்னா அதுக்கு ஏதாவது பண்ணுங்க. ஓகே, அதே மாதிரி நிறைய கெமிக்கலி ப்ளீச்ட் வாட்டர் இருக்கு இல்லையா, அது என்ன பண்ணும்? அப்படியே ரிவரோட சேர்ந்து மிக்ஸ் பண்ணி விட்டுலாமா, இல்ல பொல்யூஷன் பண்ணி பியூரிஃபை பண்ணி அனுப்பணுமா? எஸ், பியூரிஃபை அண்ட் சென்ட் இட். Purify and what? Send it. அப்படி அனுப்பினாலும் that area will get affected. Go to Velur area, go to Katpadi Velur area, because of the, I mean, leather bleaching, you know, அந்த இடத்துல வாட்டர் குடிக்கவே முடியாது. நீங்க குளிச்சிங்கன்னா அவ்வளவுதான், ஸ்கின் போயிடும், அவ்வளோ ஹார்ம்ஃபுல் வாட்டர். Go to Tirupur area, Coimbatore area. Okay, more than 5 lakh 6 lakh acres of land became useless because chemical bleaching அப்படியே எதுவுமே பொல்யூஷன் பண்ணாம அப்படியே விட்டுட்டாங்க. கவர்மெண்ட் காசு வாங்கிட்டு சும்மா அப்படியே விட்டுட்டாங்க. பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் தட் வாட் ஹேப்பன்? இப்போ அந்த ஏரியா பீப்புள் தண்ணி குடிக்கணும்னா வேற எங்காவது வந்து வரும், 100 kilometers வந்து பைப் லைன் போட்டு கொண்டு வரும். தட் இஸ் அ வில்லேஜ். ஃபார் த வில்லேஜ் யூ கெட் வாட்டர் ஃப்ரம் வில்லேஜ் லொக்கேட்டட் அபவுட் 100 kilometers outside. Okay, because of the pollution effect caused by the people, industries kind of a thing. The social responsibility accounting இது என்னன்னா, okay, what is the benefit you have given to the society? What is the harm you have done to the society? எவ்வளவு பொல்யூஷன் விட்டுருக்கீங்க, எவ்வளோ வாட்டர் பொல்யூஷன் பண்ணியிருக்கீங்க, எவ்வளோ ஏர் பொல்யூஷன் பண்ணியிருக்கீங்க, அதெல்லாம் அக்கௌண்ட் பண்ணி சொல்லணும். ஓகே, அதே மாதிரி அதுக்கான என்ன மெஷர்ஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கீங்க? ஃப்ரீ மெடிக்கல் கேம்ப் ஆர் ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் அந்த வில்லேஜ் அடாப்ட் பண்ணிட்டு இன்ஃப்ராஸ்ட்ரக்சர் மெயின்டைன் பண்ணுறது, ஆர் பிரிங்கிங் வாட்டர் ஃப்ரம் அதர் ஏரியா அண்ட் கிவிங் டு த பீப்புள், அந்த மாதிரி ப்ரொவைடிங் எஜுகேஷன் அண்ட் ஹெல்த் கேர் டு த பீப்புள், ப்ரொவைடிங் எம்ப்ளாய்மெண்ட் டு த லோக்கல் பீப்புள், அந்த மாதிரி வாட் இஸ் த thing that you are giving, that is called as which accounting? Social responsibility accounting. Social responsibility accounting. Okay, sir, is it applicable in India? Yes, it is applicable in India. As per company law, எவ்வளோ percentage spend பண்ணணும்? 2% of net profit. Indiaல large companies minimum they must spend how much? Net profitல minimum 2% எடுத்து they must spend for CSR activities. CSR activities. என்னென்ன CSR activities? Education, healthcare, adapting a village, providing infrastructure, providing roads, okay, providing அந்த மாதிரி shelter for the homeless, or providing free food, அந்த மாதிரி there are list of CSR activities, okay, that they must undertake. எவ்வளோ ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ணணும்? 2% ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ணணும். ஓகே, இப்போ வேர்ல்டு லெவல் எடுத்தீங்கன்னா there are 3 types of countries. ஒன்று சோசியல் ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டி கம்ஸ் வித்தின், அவங்க பிளட்லேயே சோசியல் ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டி இருக்கும். எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஜப்பான். ஓகே, 10 பேர் கியூல் இருந்துச்சுன்னா நம்ம ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆளாக போய் நின்னோம்னா 10 வாட்டர் பாட்டில் இருந்தால் 10 நம்ம வாங்கிடும். பட் ஜப்பனீஸ் போய் நின்னோம்னா 10 பேர் கியூல் இருக்காங்களா, 10 பாட்டில் இருக்கா, let me to get 1 because there are 9 people behind me, they should also get. அதான் அவங்களோட சோசியல் ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டி. அது எப்படி சார் முடியுமான்னு அப்படிதான் அவங்க வாழ்றாங்க. You go to Japanese home, they will talk about the country, how they raise up, what are the industries they are having, what are the products they are manufacturing, where and all the products are being sold, how that country is effectively managed. அந்த மாதிரி தான் பேசுவாங்க. நம்ம வீட்டில் வந்து என்ன பேசுகிறோம்? என் பையன் டாக்டர், உங்கள் பையன் டாக்டரா? என் வீட்டில் இந்த சொத்து இருக்குது, அது இருக்குது, இது இருக்குது, இந்த ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி, திஸ் தட் எக்ஸெட்ரா, how many attires you have, how many chappals you have, how many shoes you have, worst we are. Okay, so but the social responsibility comes within. அதான் ஜப்பான். அவங்களுக்கு லால இருந்து தேவையில்லை. Okay, they'll ensure that they'll put dusts only in the dustbin. ஒரு சின்ன குழந்தை கூட சொல்லுவாங்க, நீ இந்தியன்ஸ் போனால் அங்கே ஸ்பாயில் பண்ணுவாங்க, டோக்கியோவில் எஸ்பெஷலி. நீங்கள் when we went there, of course one of our faculty is there, we went there. நான் ஜஸ்ட் இந்த ஏதோ குடிச்சிட்டு வாட்டர் குடிச்சிட்டு ஜஸ்ட் அப்படியே கீழே போட்டேன். ஒரு சின்ன பையன் வந்து என்னை அசிங்கப்படுத்தி கேட்டான், நோ பின், நோ இந்தியா, ஜப்பான், த்ரோ இன் டஸ்ட்பின், இதான் பேசினான். 4 வார்த்தை பேச பண்ணான். எனக்கு அப்படியே பலார் நடிச்ச மாதிரி இருந்தது. எஸ், நம்மளோட ஹேபிட் என்ன, குடிச்சோன்னா அப்படி கசிக்கு தூக்கி போட்டு போயிட்டே இருக்கலாம், அவ்வளோதானே. பட் வேற ஒரு டஸ்ட்பின் கூட அவங்க அலோவ் பண்ண மாட்டாங்க. அது சோசியல் ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டிங்கிறது எவ்ரி கிட் டு த சீனியர் சிட்டிசன் தேர் ஹேவிங். ஓகே, தட் இஸ் நம்பர் 1. தட் இஸ் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கண்ட்ரி. செகண்ட் டைப் ஆஃப் கண்ட்ரி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஃபோர்ஸ்ட் ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டி. பபிள் கம் சூ பண்ணா 1 வீக் பிடிச்சி உள்ள போட்டுருவாங்க. பபிள் கம் பாக்கெட்ல வச்சிருந்தா 3 மாசம் ஜெயிலில் போட்டுருவாங்க. சிங்கப்பூர், ரைட்? இந்த ட்ரக்ஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணியிருந்தா மேபி 6 months ஜெயில். ஹோல்டு பண்ணா ஓவர், you'll be hanged. And holding drugs are worse than having a drug. So அங்கே வேணா போய் பபிள் கம் போடுவோம்னா, இல்லை ஸ்மோக்கிங் இன் பப்ளிக் பிளேசஸ் will they do? Will they urinate or will they? அந்த அளவுக்கு forced responsibility. 50-60 years back, that was the worst country for all the crimes. Today, that is the safest heaven in the world. Even, for example, நார்த் கொரியாவும் யூஎஸும் அங்கே போய் தான் பீஸ் தாக் வச்சுக்கிறாங்க. அந்த அளவுக்கு சேஃபாக இருக்குது. எப்படி சேஃபாக இருக்குது? ஃபோர்ஸ்ட் ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டி. ரொம்ப சிம்பிள். துபாயில் போயிட்டு கோல்டு பாருங்க, அப்படி நம்ம பாண்டி பசார் நகை கடை மாதிரி இப்படியே போட்டு வச்சிருப்பாங்க. ஓகே, ஏன் நம்ம ஒரு 2 வலையில் எடுத்து போட்டு வரலாமே, வந்துடலாம். அந்த பக்கம் வந்தானே கை இருக்காது. பாரபட்சமே எல்லாம் கூட்டு போய் ஓகே கட் த ஹேண்ட், மேட்டர் ஓவர், ஜட்ஜ்மெண்ட். ஸோ லைக் தட் தே ஹவ் காட் ஃபோர்ஸ் ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டி. ஒரு ஃபுட் ப்ராடக்ட், ஒரு ஃபுட் பேக், ஒரு பேட்ச் தப்பான ப்ராப்பர்ட்டியில் நீங்கள் மேனுஃபேக்சர் பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா தட்ஸ் ஆல், யூ வில் பி ஆஸ்க்ட் டு க்ளோஸ் டவுன் த ஃபேக்ட்ரி. இன்னைக்கு நான் மேனுஃபேக்சர் பண்ணுறேன் சார், ஒரு 10 ப்ராடக்ட் தப்பாக போயிடுச்சு, அதனால 10 பேருக்கு கொஞ்சம் ஹெல்த் ப்ராப்ளம் வந்துருச்சு. என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க? இந்தியாவில் விட்டுடுவாங்க, பைசா வாங்கிட்டு விட்டுடுவாங்க. பட் அங்கே என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க? they will ask you to close down the factory. Clear? Even for example, Vicks Action 500 or tablet பார்க்கலாம், Dolo 650 or tablet பார்க்கலாம். அதெல்லாம் banned in UAE. It is banned in US because அங்க வந்து it is affecting kidney, liver, அதனால அதெல்லாம் சேல் பண்ணக்கூடாதுன்னு பேன் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. பட் இந்தியாவில் எது வேணாலும் சேல் பண்ணலாம், நோ ப்ராப்ளம். ஓகே, ஸோ தட் இஸ் செகண்ட் கண்ட்ரி வேர் ஃபோர்ஸ்ட் ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டி. யூ மஸ்ட் ஃபாலோ பண்ணலைன்னா you'll be having punishments. You'll be having what? Punishment. Pollute பண்ணா industry seal வச்சிடுவேன். Okay. நீங்க industry environment harm பண்ணா you cannot run business. You'll be closed. உங்களோட green card க்ளோஸ் பண்ணும், எல்லா பெனிஃபிட் க்ளோஸ் பண்ணும். You cannot restart business anywhere. அந்த மாதிரி forced responsibility second type. Third type நம்ம தாய்லாந்து, இந்தியா, பாகிஸ்தான், ஆப்கானிஸ்தான் இந்த மாதிரி கண்ட்ரீஸ் வேர் லாவும் ப்ராப்பரா இல்லை, பீப்புளும் ப்ராப்பரா இல்லை. ஃபேஸ்புக், இன்ஸ்டால சோசியல் ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டி பற்றி மட்டும் பேசுவோம். பட் when it comes to real social responsibility, no, we will not do. Okay, இந்தியால தான் that is coming up. Like, I mean, we have got HEC ன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க, health and education says government is collecting, government is trying to do certain things. They are trying to do certain things, but enforce பண்ணாதான் அது முடியும். enforce பண்ணாம, enforcement is not proper இந்தியால. அது இருந்தா வரும். இந்தியால இந்த மாதிரி சோசியல் ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டி இருக்குன்னா social responsibility becomes marketing. Social responsibility becomes marketing. Where, I mean, in which part of the world people are shorter? எங்க குள்ளமா இருப்பாங்க? சைனா, ஜப்பான். பட் அங்கேயே காம்ப்ளான்ங்கிற ஒரு பிராண்டே இல்லை. காம்ப்ளான் குடிச்சாதான் நீங்க வளரலாம் இல்லை. எந்த பார்ட் ஆஃப் த வேர்ல்டு பீப்புள் பிளாக் இருக்காங்க? ஆப்பிரிக்கன்ஸ், எத்தியோப்பியா, சோமாலியா. அங்கேயே நீங்க போய் ஃபேர் அண்ட் லவ்லி விற்கிறது இல்லை. எல்லா கர்மத்தையும் இங்கே தானே விற்கிறோம். ஸோ விச் மீன்ஸ் என்ன வேணாலும் நீ ஃபால்ஸ் ப்ராமிஸ் பண்ணி மார்க்கெட் பண்ணலாம். ஓகே, என்ன வேணாலும் ஃபால்ஸ் ப்ராமிஸ் பண்ணி நீங்க மார்க்கெட் பண்ணலாம். அதை கேட்குற கொஸ்டின் கேட்குறக்கு ஆள் கிடையாது. ஒரே ஒரு கொஸ்டின் கேட்குறேன். அடிக்கடி அட்வர்டைஸ்மெண்ட் பார்க்கும்போது எனக்கு அப்படியே அது டிவி உடைக்கலான்னு வரும். ஹமாம் சோப் ப்ரொடெக்டிங் விமென். எப்படிங்க பாசிபிள்? ஓகே, ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி இந்தியாவில் சோசியல் ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டி பிகம்ஸ் விச் ஒன்? மார்க்கெட்டிங். பை சர்ஃப் எக்ஸல். ஏதோ நீங்க சர்ஃப் எக்ஸல் வாங்கணுன்னே ஒரு வில்லேஜ் அடாப்ட் பண்ணி இந்த குழந்தை வளர்ந்துடுற மாதிரி இல்லையா? ஸோ தட் ஆல் இஸ் அதான் மார்க்கெட்டிங்காக யூஸ் பண்ற மெத்தட்ஸ். கிளியர்? சோசியல் ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டின்னு ஒரு வேர்டை யூஸ் பண்ணி they யூஸ் ஃபார் விச் ஒன்? மார்க்கெட்டிங் இன் இந்தியா. ரொம்ப சிம்பிள். பிராண்ட் பரத்வாஜ் பாப்புலர் பண்ணணும்னா என்ன பண்ணலாம்? அட்வர்டைஸ்மெண்ட் கொடுக்கலாம், மார்க்கெட்டிங் கொடுக்கலாம், மெசேஜ் அனுப்பலாம். அதெல்லாம் யாரும் கண்டுக்கவே மாட்டாங்க, தூக்கி போட்டு போயிட்டே இருப்பாங்க. ஹேண்ட் பில்ஸ், இந்த ப்ரோஷர்ஸ் எல்லாம் கொடுக்கலாம், வாங்கி அப்படி தூக்கி போட்டு போயிட்டே இருப்பாங்க. எப்படி மார்க்கெட் பண்ணலாம்? ஒரு மெத்தட் இருக்கு. எல்லாத்தையும் நல்லா சூப்பராக பேசி, ஒரு வெளியே இருக்கிற கூட்டம் வந்து செம்மையாக ஒரு ஹாஸ்பிட்டல் ஒருத்தர் கூட்டம் வந்து நல்லா பேசி, பிளட் இஸ் ரெக்வயர்டு, எவ்வளோ பேர் ஆக்சிடென்ட்ல பிளட் போகிறாங்கன்னு ஒரு எம்பத்தட்டிக்கலாக வீடியோலாம் காட்டி இவங்களுக்கெல்லாம் பிளட் தேவைப்படுதுன்னு சொல்லி பேசி ஒரு 1 or 2 hours ஸ்டாக் கொடுத்து நம்ம சிஏ, சிஎம்ஏ, சிஎஸ் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், உங்களோட ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாத்தையும் கூப்பிட்டு வர சொல்லி ஓகே ஒரு பிளட் டொனேஷன் கேம்ப் ஆர்கனைஸ் பண்ணலாம். அலுமினி எல்லாம் சேர்ந்து ஒரு 500 அலுமினி வெல்கம் ஓகே ஆர்கனைஸ் பண்ணலாம். பண்ணணும் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க? இப்போ யூடியூபர்ஸ், மீடியா எல்லாம் வருவாங்க. they will catch the thing and they will post it. Bharadwaj Institute, a CA coaching center, organizes a social responsibility blood donation camp. இப்போ பிராண்ட் பரத்வாஜ் பேன் தமிழ்நாடு ஈஸியாக ரீச் ஆகுமா? நீங்கள் எல்லாரும் ஸ்டேட்டஸ் வைப்பீங்களா? நான் டொனேட் பண்ணியிருக்கேன் பிளட்னு சொல்லி பரத்வாஜ் இன்ஸ்டியூட் வழியா. ஸோ ஒரு ஸ்டேட்டஸ் 500 பேர் பார்க்குறான்னு வச்சுங்களேன். 500 பேர் ஸ்டேட்டஸ் வச்சு எவ்வளோ பேர் பார்ப்பாங்க? 250,000 people will see your status and social media news that this etc and all. What is the cost to Bharadwaj because of this? Zero. But it has a better marketing reach. இந்தியாவில் மட்டும்தான் சோசியல் ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டியை என்ன பண்றது? மார்க்கெட்டிங்காக யூஸ் பண்றது இந்தியாவில் மட்டும்தான். ஸோ யாரெல்லாம் இந்த சோசியல் ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டியோட மார்க்கெட் பண்றாங்களோ அந்த ப்ராடக்ட்டை வாங்காதீங்க. பிகாஸ் they are selling the product using your blood ன்னு அர்த்தம். கிளியர்? ஸோ கமிங் பேக், வேற ஏதோ philosophical கிளாஸ் மாதிரி போயிடுச்சு. இப்போ what is the first branch of accounting? Financial accounting is to do with which one? P&L account, balance sheet prepare பண்ணா உங்க job over. Cost account ஓட job எப்போ over? Find the cost, fix the selling price, control the cost. Management account ஓட வேலை என்ன? Providing information for decision making, ratio analysis, cash flow statement, performance reporting and the மாதிரி. Human resource valuation is done, but it cannot be accounted because of asset காட்ட முடியாது, because of ownership and which one? Life. Social responsibility accounting is nothing but accounting for cost and benefit to the society because of a business. India we call it as which one? Corporate social responsibility னு சொல்லுவாங்க. So in the classroom we are going to, I mean this is part of your syllabus. Accounting, what are the branches of accounting? Sometimes they will ask you short notes questions. Okay, first branch of accounting is which one? Financial accounting. Financial accounting is to do with bookkeeping and which one? Accounting. What is bookkeeping? Or 2-3 lines. What is accounting? Or 2-3 lines. Then cost accounting, finding the cost, fixing the selling price, and which one? Controlling the cost. You can write in your own words. You can write in your own words. Whether stories are counted, pages are counted, or the point that you write. The point that you write is counted. Sir, bookல இருக்கிற மாதிரி அதே மாதிரி தான் எழுதணுமோ தேவையில்லை. Okay. If you write in your own words and communicate the meaning, that is sufficient for your CA exams. Okay. Management accounting. நிறைய பேர் எழுதுவாங்க management accounting is the accounting of management. அது மாதிரி எழுதக்கூடாது. Okay. It is providing information for decision making in the form of ratio analysis, cash flow, and fund flow statements, where information is given to the management for timely decision making. போதும் அவ்வளவுதான். Human resources, trying to record human resources, which one? Assets. They cannot be recorded because of ownership, and which one? Life. அந்த மாதிரி just relevant points 4-5 lines எழுதுனா போதும். That is C exams. Yeah, this is one of the repeated question in the past exam also. What are the branches of which one? Accounting. So I request you to take note of it. So for the first class, I stop with this introduction. Okay. Next class. First class, I'll start with this introduction. Next class, I'll proceed with accounting process, concepts, conventions. We will learn.